Meaning of eternity ring.
Eternity ring.
Eternity ring.
Eternity ring.
Eternity ring. An eternity ring, also known as an infinity ring, is a type of jewelry that symbolizes everlasting love and commitment. It usually consists of a band of precious metals set with a continuous loop of identical gemstones, typically diamonds. The endless circle of stones represents the unending nature of love and devotion in a relationship. These rings are often given as gifts to celebrate significant milestones such as anniversaries or the birth of a child. They are a beautiful way to express one's eternal love and commitment to their partner.